In this video, I am about to show you how I make money on Piggyvest and how you too can do the same. You know, most people know Piggyvest as that online platform where they can save their money and earn interest there. But only few people know that they can actually make money on Piggyvest. And in this video, I am going to be showing you how. My name is Esther Chukwu. I am a sales and marketing coach, and my goal in this YouTube channel is to show you fast and easy ways you can make money online, and to also share with you some tips, tricks and strategies to help you make more sales online, irrespective of whatever you are selling. Please go ahead right now and hit the subscribe button and the notification button there. With this, you'll be among the first person to know whenever I drop a video on YouTube. You need to do that right now. So let's get started. For some that don't know what Piggyvest is, I'll explain it in a bit. Piggyvest is an online platform where you can save your money and earn interest. You can earn between 6 to 13% interest on your savings and even more. There are several ways you can save money on Piggyvest. We have automated savings. This is also known as Piggy Bank. In this method, you can set a particular date or a particular day, like on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, any day of your choice, with any particular amount of money that Piggyvest will be collecting from your account at that particular day. You can decide to be saving 1,000 naira daily, or you can decide to say every Tuesday I want Piggyvest to collect 2,000 naira from my account or 500 naira from my account. So everything is automated. Once you set the day and the amount, Piggyvest will do the work for you. So even if you are not disciplined enough to save, Piggyvest will discipline you because they'll be doing the work on your behalf. So they'll save the money for you and even give you interest. You know, if you leave your money in the bank these days, it just keeps depreciating because they'll be collecting their stamp fee and other charges. Meanwhile, in Piggyvest, they will give you interest for saving, and it will help you meet any target you want. The second one is fixed savings. This is also known as SafeLock. With this, if you have a particular amount of money you don't want to use at any time, you can just put it in that SafeLock. It could be 100k, 200k or 50k, any amount at all. You just keep it there for a period of time, and then Piggyvest will give you interest for just keeping your money there. The third one is goal-oriented savings. This is known as target. If you have any projects that you want to do, maybe by year ending or next year, you can start now to plan it. You can do your budget right now. Maybe if you need 1 million at the end of the month, or at the end of the year, or even next year, you can ask yourself, how much can I save weekly or daily for me to get to this amount of money that I want? You can use the money to build your house, or for your birthday party, or to buy a car, or to go on vacation. So you can target save for anything. For me, I am doing a target saving of 50k daily. So with this, I want to use that as something at the end of the month. So you can do that likewise. If you have a target you want to meet, if you have something you want to do, you can save towards it. Then the fourth one is flexible savings. This one, you can enter the platform and save any amount of money you want at any time, and you're also free to take the money anytime. So it is very, very simple. Then there is dollar savings. For this one, you can save in foreign currency, you can save in dollars, you can save in euro. So you can do a whole lot of things here.
Okay.
My goodness, I started saving 2,400 naira October last year, every day. And why did I do that? Because I said, it's my suya money, why should I be spending this amount on suya almost every day? You know, and I sat down at the end of them, being a frugal entrepreneur. I sat down when I'm doing my course, because I always check where my money is going. Yeah. I check how it comes and where it's going. I found out plantain chips, and so we're thinking, how can I be spending between 30 to 60k every month? So if you times that average of 40,000 by 12, that's how much I'm giving the plantain chips and suya business every year. They were able to set up something that today, I've said 600 and something thousand. On 2,400 every day, a business started by millennials.
Then how can you make money on Piggyvest? This is very, very simple. Now look at this. Look at this. This is earnings from referrals, 40,000 naira. Now this might look small, but considering that the only thing I did was just to invite people, it is something. So this is what I've earned this month in this platform, 40k, for simply sharing my referral link. So while you save on PiggyVest, you can also make money by inviting people to join the platform. You that invited them will be entitled to 1,000 naira per person you invite, and even the person you invited is also entitled to 1,000 naira. So provided they use your referral link and then sign up and they set up their account, provided they do that, they get their 1,000 naira. So if somebody doesn't use a referral link to register in the platform, they won't have access to that 1,000 naira. So it is beneficial both way, both me that is referring you and you that is also entering the platform through me. You'll be able to get 1,000 naira. And after setting up your account, all you just need to do is you can use your BVN or your NIN to verify your account, and then they will collect just 100 naira to create your account for you, only 100 naira, and from there you can start saving and also start earning by referring others. So after creating your account like this, you have your referral link here. All you just need to do is copy it here, copy the referral link, and then you will start sharing it. And once people click on it, they will be able to, they will register in the platform while you will get paid for inviting them. This is very, very simple, very, very simple. Okay, so apart from referring people, you can also save. I have several savings going on. This is my piggy bank, 1k savings daily. This is my target. This one is a safe lock, Flex Naira. You can do a whole lot of things here in PiggyVest. Now if you want to register your account with them, you just need to go to your browser and then go to piggyvest.com. You see this interface here. All you need to do is create a free account. Click on it right here. Once you click on it, you will have to put in your details like your name, your email address, your phone number, a password that you always remember, and then the referral link. There will be my referral link in the description of this video. You will see the referral link there. You can take it and then register your account if you have not done that. Okay, so you now select how you heard about it, from a friend, of course. You heard it from me, or if you have heard it somewhere else, you also select it and then you create your free account. After that, you go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and install their app. It is called PiggyVest. Once you install it, you just have to log in with your details, the details you use in creating your account, and that is all. Once you log in, you can finish up other settings like verify your account with your NIN or your BVN. When you are done with that, they will collect 100 naira to create your account. That is to give you account details where somebody can pay in and all that. So once that is done, your account is fully registered and created with them. So and then you can start sharing your referral link and getting 1,000 naira as you do that. So, and also when those you refer, you set up their account and then verify it, and they were able to pay the 100 naira to use and create their account. Once they do that, your 1,000 naira will automatically be credited to you. So that is how I'm able to make my own money here. So I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do that right now. I'm still waiting for you to do that. Please do that right now, and also click on the notification bell so that you will be updated in all of the videos I'm going to be dropping. Thank you for watching.